In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link audio and video clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you're working in your project and your audio and video have become separated, or you simply want to make sure they stay connected while editing. Linking clips is a very useful feature. It helps you keep everything organized so that when you move one part of the media, the other part moves with it. This can save time and help prevent accidental syncing issues later in your edit. To begin, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the area where your clips are visible. You'll want to locate the audio clip and the video clip that belong together. Once you've found them, the next step is to select both clips at the same time. To do that, click and drag your cursor across the clips until both the audio and video files are highlighted. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct items. This is important because if the wrong clips are highlighted, you may end up linking media that doesn't belong together. A quick visual check before continuing can help avoid that. After both clips are selected, right-click on the highlighted area. This will open a menu with several editing options. From that menu, click on Link Clips. As soon as you do that, the audio and video will be linked together. That means if you click and move one of them later, the other will move as well. This is especially helpful during editing because it keeps your footage and sound aligned and makes your workflow much smoother. If you're doing cuts, trimming, or repositioning clips on the timeline, linked clips are much easier to manage. And that's all it takes. The process is very quick, but it's one of those small editing skills that can make a big difference when you're trying to stay efficient and avoid mistakes. If you ever notice your audio and video are not behaving together the way you expect, it's always worth checking whether they're linked. In many cases, this simple option is exactly what you need. So again, just open your project, click and drag to highlight both the audio and video clips, right-click and choose Link Clips. Once that's done, your clips will be connected and ready to edit together more easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.